The AI embedded in the web page recognizes you. He knows which topics he has difficulty understanding, which fields he is interested in. When reading a text, it warns you in advance. This term may be new to you. Let me summarize it if you want. Or, your interest is astrophysics. This content can be linked to you like this. Why it will come. Advanced user model can be created. AI systems can create context according to personal history. A web page not only shows content, but also the content speaks to you live. You click a button and the page says, "Hello. In this section, we're talking about the sustainability goals of our company." I can summarize the details for you if you want. Why it will come. GPT plus text reading, TDS, technologies combined. Web 3.0 talking content era. Long posts are no longer scary. AI makes a preliminary summary, topics, or even a mental map before you even read the article. Example, this article contains 3 main ideas: climate change, energy policies, and the carbon tax. Which one would you like to focus on? Why it will come. There is a great need, especially in academic and technical content. LLMs can now analyze content in real time. You enter a math site. The formula is given. Next to AI supported box. What value do you wonder about in this formula? Come in. Let's solve it together. Or, do you want to see the simulation of this system? Chart increasing why it will come. Minim, Wolfram Alpha, Python codes can now be run on the web. Education sites will live in a revolution. While browsing the web, AI protects you. When you click on the link, it says, "This connection doesn't seem secure. There's been a data breach on this site 3 times." Or, "This cookie policy tracks your data. Do you want to allow it?" Why it will come. Privacy is now a basic need. AI steps into increased security awareness. Translating a foreign text on a web page is no longer limited to word equivalents. AI says, "This expression has a figurative meaning in Spanish. It can be translated into Turkish as being sad after work." Why it will come. LLMs can now understand the cultural and emotional context. It will break new ground in the field of education and language learning. The web page knows you. You are a student, teacher, or expert. Simplifies or deepens the content according to your level. Example, do you want to study this topic at the high school level or at the university level? Why it will come. Education systems and access to information are becoming democratized. Everyone will be able to understand at their own level.